AuraShare BS19 10 watts Bluetooth speaker. Nabili ko for 510 pesos from Shopee seller AuraShare official store. BS19 is available in colors black, white, and green. Very attractive colors, hopefully one to suit your personality. Laman ng box is a conservative but informative owner's manual. Remember to read this, okay? Next is a Type-C charging cable. Then we have an auxiliary cable. And finally, we have the AuraShare BS19 in this very attractive white variant. Here we go. A very rigid steel speaker grill up front. Centered is the embossed AuraShare logo. Up top is a very conservative interface with 3 buttons. Nothing much to say on the bottom and the sides. Except here on the upper right, there's a buckle in place of the usual lanyards we see on most speakers. At the back of the speaker, we are greeted with a plain panel. Detailed on it, the specification of the AuraShare BS19. Peeling the pull-out tab will reveal 4 different ports. These are for the charging port, USB-A, microSD, and auxiliary ports. The AuraShare BS19 has high marks in the looks department. AuraShare did a very good job in its design. Or did it? Because the BS19 features a design intensely inspired by a Marshall speaker. To turn on the BS19, press and hold the power button for 2 seconds. To pair, select AuraShare BS19. And then tap pair. Ayan, paired na. Time for the sound test. Sound performance. The BS19 is really loud, maybe because I'm used to the loudness of 5-watt speakers. Sweet spot volume is around 50% of the volume range. The sound quality is good, lows are sufficient, highs are unsuppressed, and the mids are behaved. It is almost perfect. Over this range, slowly the mids dominate. Beyond 70% volume, make sure you're either outdoor or distant from the speaker. At this range, the mids take over, but not so much that it overpowers the highs and lows. Depending on the music, sometimes the vocals dominate. The lows are still there, but it didn't gain as much as the mids. It's like the highs are suppressed and the mids are left unsupervised. This is, however, the same pattern audio performance I see on most budget speakers. If you're looking for a budget speaker and want it loud, I recommend you skip the 5 watts option and get the AuraShare BS19. The way it looks and its sound performance, I can confirm you're still getting a good deal here. Thanks for watching up to this point. Please remember to click the like and subscribe button. Ingat po, Mates Wen, out!